Muhammad Hamad is very happy and playing with a car. And it's summer. It's today is the 1st of May. And it's usually a holiday from all public and private sectors in the sense of Labor Day. Hamad is playing and enjoying the weather. Weather is very cool and cool breeze is blowing right now. And he is very happy and enjoy driving a kid's car. Kid's car. Muhammad Hamad. Muhammad Hamad. Happy. Let's have some activity with Muhammad Hamad and
Now have some other activity and standing position. It's Muhammad Hamad's standing position. Actually, he is not stay for a long time. It usually fall down, but it's for
it's fun down. Fun down. Fun down. Fun down. Hamad. Muhammad Hamad eating some
बिल्कुल छोड़ा आता देख लो माशाल्लाह क्या कर रहा है
exercise.